Hello everyone, I'm Eliana Rich and welcome to my channel. Today's Star Online, it's about good luck which is coming to you in 5 spheres of your life within next 3 months since the day when you're watching this video. Tarot reading will show me in which sphere of your life and what kind of good luck is coming. Is it going to be a huge one, something life-changing event, or it's going to be some of the middle success, or is just something small good luck, just the beginning of something? We will get some detailed information and my oracles will show me the outcome. So what you're going to get within these 3 months? So let's get started from the first deck, which will show me the 5 spheres, in which spheres is gonna happen. So first one, it's about your love life, private life. Second one, it's about your career opportunities, health state, social life. Social life, it's about all your competitions, maybe about your moving to another country or city, right? Or maybe you have court cases or, some activities in your life, so about that. And fifth one, it's about your financial status. All right, let's open them and we will see now what kind of good luck is coming to you. Okay, we've got 7, page 10. So we didn't get no one major arcana. Major arcana would show us life-changing events, right? But this card is minor arcanas, but still they're all positive looking. Look at them. No one negative card. No one is not showing me like you're gonna be unlucky. No. So you're gonna be lucky in all 5 spheres of your life. Just the good luck is gonna be like of, let's say, different size of good luck, right? So let's get started from here. So first card is about your private life, love life. It's a 7 of Swords. It's saying you will be lucky in gathering some information, maybe regarding your relationship, regarding your partner, what's going on. Maybe you will try to figure out what you're gonna do, what is your next step. Will you stay together? Will you reconcile or not? Like that information, you will be so lucky to figure it out by this card. All right, regarding you, okay, you know what, let me do some detailed let's get some detailed information, like some kind of clarifications, right? So first card will show me what we have in this card and what we do not have, right? And this detailed information showing me, look at this, 10 of Cups. It means once you will get this information, when you will be working on it, you will have 10 of Cups. This is like a clarification, reconciliation. You will be, so happy in your family and your love status and your love life. It's like 10, it means one period of your life is finishing, right, is finalizing, and you're ready to step up to another stage of your love life. What you do not have in this status, in this card, 9 of Wands. Look at this, it's a good sign. It means you're not gonna be exhausted like this guy on this card, right? It means you will feel so excited and so protected. Amazing. All right, how about second? This is about your career, your studies, right, opportunities, and this is a 3 of Wands. Here you will be so lucky in some new beginnings. Maybe you're looking for a job, you will be lucky at this period of time. Maybe you're expecting promotion, you will be lucky. Or maybe you're planning to open your own business, it will work out very well and fast. That's how this Wheel of Fortune is going to work out for you. And let's take some detailed information, right, about it. Okay, what you have in it. 10 of Wands, it's saying, yes, to get this to be so lucky, it will, it's not just like good luck is coming to you from nowhere, right? You're gonna be lucky, yes, but if you will work very hard like this guy on this card, it will not come to lazy people. This good luck is earned one. Because why I'm saying it? Because by wheel of fortune, it's not like just like a sudden good luck from the sky is falling into your hands, right? No, by wheel of fortune, good luck is coming to those who has earned it, who deserved it, right? So that is why this card is showing me, yes, you will work very hard, you will not be lazy, you will be very determined, and you will be lucky on it, all right? So what there is, what you don't have by Empress, okay, by Empress maybe you will be a little bit exhausted by your some creative ideas within these 3 months, because what is not in this card, right? This card, Empress is showing me. Maybe you will not feel very motivated to create something new or to work on some creative project. It's possible, but it doesn't mean you will not be able. It means it will be a little bit difficult for you to create something, right? So it happens sometimes. Maybe you just need some news, right? Some excitement in your life. So that's how the creative ideas are coming to us. But anyway, you will be lucky, you will move forward very, very fast. Okay? Next sphere is our health state. Health state, it's a Page of Wands. You're gonna be lucky on it. Why? Because a lot of power or red color, which will bring you a lot of power, a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, stimul, motivation, and treatment will work out if it's resonating with you. Yes, it's so far it's the Page one, right? It's not the King, but still it means you will be recovering very fast if you're on a treatment. If you're not on a treatment, it means you will feel so energetic, very active, a lot of energy, you will sleep very well, right? So you will feel great. Let me ask details. So what we have in this card, the Fool. By Fool, maybe some of you is gonna start something, some new procedures maybe, or some new medical services you're gonna receive. For example, maybe it's something small, funny ones. Maybe you're gonna go to spa salon, maybe you're gonna go for massage therapy, right? Or something like that, or some new procedures which you never had before, because by Fool it's something new for you. You don't know what it might be because you didn't get it before. Alright, so what is not in this card? Oh, death. We don't have death. It's a great sign. It means not physical death, of course. This card never shows, very rarely shows physical death. For health, it means you will not have any big transformations in your health state. Which is great, right? Because it has little negative energy, so you're not gonna have it. It's amazing. It's a very nice layout. Okay. Next, it's your social life. In your social life, you've got 6 of Wands. It means you're gonna move forward. You're gonna be very lucky at this sphere of your life. But by 6 of Wands, it's always like something the middle of process. It's not till finish, till the final stage. It's still a lot of work will be required from you. But now at the middle stage, you are absolutely lucky. You feel comfortable. You feel very enthusiastic, right? A lot of enthusiasm, a lot of desire to move forward, you're very determined, of course, and you feel so powerful. Great. Let's detail a little bit. by moon, yes, maybe sometimes you will feel like there is uncertainty ahead of you. Sometimes you don't know very clearly what is the next step, what is going to happen, how you're going to act here or there, right? So there will be some uncertainty on your way, but it's temporary, it's just a matter of time, and that's all. So what you don't have in this card? 5 of Cups. It's amazing. You don't have any disappointment. You don't have any sad feelings or sad emotions, right? So it means you will be, despite on this uncertainty, you will be very positive, and straight-minded, which is amazing. All right, how about the financial state? So it's a 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is saying us you are, on onboarding, stepping, on some new period of your life in your financial status. Your financial status is about to change significantly because it's 10 of Cups. First of all, it's very positive emotions. You are getting, you're gathering, you're collecting. Your income is growing because you see baby is coming. It means a lot of income is coming to you, right? And it's gonna be even more and better, because this good luck is working for you. And 10 is final stage. A new stage is going to be even better. Let me ask the detailed information. What else you have in this? The world. Wow, that's amazing. So by the world, this is definitely your financial status is going to be changed significantly. Okay, let me ask what you're not going to have. Knight of Pentacles. You see at this card, the horse is sitting there, right? It's not moving. What you're not gonna have within these 3 months? Delays. It's amazing, right? So what is not here? No delays, no pause. It's not gonna be like no stagnation. That's important one. So you're gonna move forward and change your financial status for the best, and it's gonna be great, amazing, because this is this major arcana, and it's the world. The whole of your world is gonna be changed for you. It's absolutely fantastic looking. And remember, the wheel is always spinning. It never stops. Even if you want it to stop, it will not happen. It's always spinning, always moving, bringing us the changes, and it's always working for good luck, for happiness, right? To be lucky at what you're working on. So I wish you the best. I wish you to catch all these chances and opportunities, to embrace these changes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and bye.